almost here. First of the season. Hasn't rained in many, many months, so this is going to be really awful. Isn't it beautiful? Watch it eat up the neighborhood. You can see it moving. Pretty soon, you'll be seeing it covering all those apartments in the distance. And then it'll be on us within seconds. Oh, everything is orange. Am I orange? Storm hit and everything is bright, sort of neon orange. It's absolutely bizarre. The sun went away and it's just the end of the world. Welcome to Arizona. Really is blood red out there. That's weird.